Hello, here is Olgans. It's the last part of the video about the first knife. So it was the project and this is the final product. Those scratches here is after a sharpening because I'm really excited about the result of this work. I haven't made the handle from wood because I was excited. I want to finish it as soon as possible, so I put this paracord line to simple handle, and there are two holes here and here with the drill number 5 millimeters diameter. So the edge and the all stuff has been made by me using the sander, the belt sander. I was starting from 80 granulation, then I switched to 150, and after all I was polishing this with sandpaper number 1200, like this, something. And the result is really exciting. I mean, it's shiny. It's sharp here and here. I got this piece of paper so we can make some cutting test. I hope it's seen, maybe from here. So actually it cuts the paper easily, and don't forget that this is 3 millimeters thick blade, so it isn't like it's quite more difficult to make a sharp blade which is thick than which is very. Here you can see the result of how it's made. It's quite symmetric, and this is my first hand make like this, so I'm really excited about the result. You could give me a comment, what do you think? Should I make more stuff like this, or make more detailed video about working on this belt sander or something? Actually, this steel isn't a very high quality. It's not designed to making knives. It's construction steel. So I think it can be you can sharpen it easily, but it also can damage the edge pretty nice, because it's not so hard like the steel that you can use to make a saw or drills or other tools. So the tool steel, it's used it's a high carbon steel, which is very hard, and this is something to start. Of course, I wanted to buy an expensive steel to make just experiment like this. So what do you think about knife making? Maybe I will make another one or do some upgrade. I look for some steel, because only with the actually two tools, which is the as I show you first, the angle grinder to cut the steel actually in the shape that you want, because you start from, of course, the paper draw, and then you work on it to be just like you want. So using this grinder and this belt sander, it's the most important thing in this, because without the belt sander you are unable to make the cutting edge, you are unable to make this curvation here. All this shape is made using the belt sander. On the grinder I was only cut here, 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 and rest of them was working on the device. How long it takes me? About 3 hours. I made it 2 days. I mean, the first day I was cutting the steel using the grinder, And next day was working with the edge, polishing this and making them look nice. Actually, there are two holes, so I can remove this backstrip and use, for example, a piece of wood like I have here, and make it wooden handle. But now it's really nice and thick. It's about 5 millimeters here. Here is 3 millimeters thick of the blade, and it's really handy. I mean, you can cut it, you can use it to. Here is some of my tests. You can use it to destroy like this. So as you can see, it's pretty operable and pretty useful. Okay, oh, I made a hole in the doesn't matter. Okay, so just give me a comment. What do you think about these new things? I mean, it's an experiment for me. I just really excited because it's a lot of fun making this. I'm really proud about this project and these things, how it looks. I like it, actually. You can disagree, so just give me what you think about this. And thanks for watching. It was all guns and knife making series. See you later.